All right, we are long overdue for a trade recap video, so figured I would do one today. Been real focused on, just keeping the funded account alive that I recently passed, so definitely been slacking on the videos. But today, the winning trade was a long position on NQ, and it was the only trade I took due to, extreme volatility. The 1 minute candle sizes were just huge, basically right out of open. So once I took my win, I was out. But let's take a look at what I was seeing on the chart. So the 5 minute, we had some key areas here that we were near. So market open was right around here. So we were in this current channel here. Was waiting for a break out in either direction, and we got a strong push right before market open, rejected off of this level. We wicked above it, but we never got a candle close, so that's kind of important to note that we never really got a strong push that held at that point, and that level is based off a previous high way back on Thursday. And there's really nothing above that unless we go on the 1 hour, 4 hour charts. Price has not been up near this level in a long time. So that's where that key level is coming from. The rest are from recent days, obviously. So yeah, let's take a look at what happened after we rejected. We came back down and we came off of those pre-market lows there and had a huge bounce. So once we bounced off the pre-market lows, that is the bounce that actually fueled our winning trade. You can see we broke above this level, didn't have any interest once we broke and held above this level because I knew we had that resistance right above, not much room for a play there. So it was waiting, waiting. We finally got that break, and if we go down on the 1 minute, we can see a lot cleaner for entries. Um, we finally started to close above that level, failed it, and then here was the key part of the trade. So closed here, and then we held for 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So I saw that we broke that level. The key was that we were holding. There was a lot of signs of a hold here. We can see, like I said, boom, that's when I first grabbed my attention. I noticed that the wicks and the bodies were staying above this level here. And then once we started to push, I waited for a candle close. So right, I think it was either this candle or this candle here was my entry candle. And I targeted a 2.5 to 1. And the reason why I targeted a 2.5 to 1 is because if we look left here, and we go back to the 5, there's nothing above this level, like I said. So I typically will target around a 2.5 risk to reward ratio if there's not a key level above, and this one flew straight to the take profit with zero drawdown. So, picture perfect trade. Really happy about the execution, and yeah, classic break and retest. So hope this video made sense, and that is what I look for in the market each day.